Ever wondered how a plunger pin helps stop a commercial vehicle carrying 5 tons? This is a plunger pin, a critical component used in commercial vehicle braking systems. And this precision part requires multiple micro holes, drilled with extreme accuracy. But here's the real engineering advantage. Our special purpose machine, SPM, drills 1.5 millimeter cross holes and 4 3 millimeter holes with chamfered on the face holes simultaneously. All operations happen at the same time using a high-speed multi-spindle system. If you manufacture this component on a VMC or CNC machine, the cycle time can be 5 times longer. But with our SPM solution, production becomes faster, simpler, and more economical. You get lower capital cost, less floor space, and reduced manpower. In fact, a single operator can run the entire machine. If you're producing components in high volumes, an SPM can dramatically improve your profitability. Contact Iyalia Engineering Solutions for a free consultation and discover how smarter manufacturing can increase your profits and reduce production headaches.